No terrain too rough, no load too heavy. Welcome to Mega Hub, your front row seat to the wildest machines on the planet. Turn signals? Nah. Right of way? Forget it. Tire explosion? Now that's commitment to chaos. A4 Skyhawk, rebuilt with care, lost to soft soil. That thud wasn't just metal, it was every aviation fan's heartbreak. BMW 320 gave it its all. Just wish it had given a little grip too. Side-loading the Cat 365B demands more than horsepower. It demands brain power. The Fasula's team nailed it, balancing power and precision on wheels. It's like threading a needle with a bulldozer. Impressive and nerve-wracking at the same time. Winds over 150 kilometers per hour? That's not weather. That's a brute force attack. Glad the driver made it out safe. Watching that crane take down the old support structure is like seeing a giant at work. Pure destruction with precision. Those workers up there must have nerves of steel. Bumper deep powder and still pushing forward. That's not a truck. That's a cold-blooded war machine. That V8 roar from the Scania 4 Series, pure thunder on wheels, pulling an overload trailer like it's a walk in the park. When that engine sings, even the road feels alive. Someone get this guy a dashboard warning system. He's seconds away from turning this tunnel into an action movie scene.
We're gonna try the big stick theory. He's gonna go flying across the... Try to kill the engine.
Concrete buffer or helicopter on the loose. That thing took off like it had a mission.
This is actually gonna work, I think.
Oh, right him in the hole.
Oh, right him, cowboy.
We now got him in the hole, spin. The lions around the injured gazelle.
Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Boss, we have a problem. The wind just started its own recycling program.
Go backwards now. Go backwards now. Oh. Oh.
When 60 tons of steel decides it's done riding, nothing stands in its way. That cab never stood a chance. Pure luck the driver made it out alive. Who needs a superhero when you have a JCB 3DX handling the toughest tasks like it's nothing? Moving a 235-ton transformer over 100 feet long is no small feat. It's like carrying a giant heartbeat for the power grid. Alali's rig tipping the scales at over 400 tons shows the sheer scale and precision of this operation. Heavy haulage at its finest. That excavator just pulled off an Olympic-level figure skating routine with a rough landing. Who needs stairs when your excavator climbs like a mountain goat? That's not just steel, that's potential energy coiled like a beast. Expente isn't just digging dirt, they're reshaping challenging landscapes with expertise and precision. Tackling hazardous and non-compliant land in both Montreal's South and North Shores, they adapt to every unique challenge like true pros. When it comes to excavation in Quebec, Expente sets the standard for safety and skill. Either stuck or taking a well-deserved break. What's your bet? It's easy to be mesmerized by the sheer size of the Cat 994K, but don't overlook the muscle that makes this move possible, the Mercedes Actros. With its high-torque engine, adaptive braking system, and multi-axle trailer, this powerhouse turns what seems impossible into another day on the job. Careful now, this beast coming off the truck like a king reclaiming its throne. Smoke, screech, and power. That R8 knows how to throw a party. This isn't just a truck hauling machinery. This is a carefully orchestrated dance between powerful hydraulics, expert driving, and cutting-edge engineering. With a payload this massive, even a slight miscalculation could spell disaster. But when you have the right equipment and the right team, you turn impossible into routine. Check out the brand new HHA Kenworth C501, a powerhouse rig built for serious heavy hauling. Paired with a fresh 12x8 modular trailer from an 18x8 combo, this setup is engineered for precision and strength. Carrying a massive 126-ton HSRG module, it's a perfect blend of power and versatility. What? It's like watching a heavyweight wrestler step into the ring, slow, calculated, and absolutely unstoppable. Five giants working in perfect sync, the ultimate team effort to free the harvester beast. When two tractors lock horns, the farm turns into an arena of giants. Boom! The first blast at South Flank is a reminder of just how powerful mining operations can be. The Mack Titan new breed with a champion hood, now that's a legend rolling on wheels. It's like the heavyweight champ of the highway, packing serious power under that classic hood while turning heads wherever it goes. Get ready for the most intense race moments. Which duo blew your mind the most? Drop your favorites below. Even Hollywood couldn't script something this outrageous. Sometimes the smartest move is just backing away. Dozers showing how it's done on Sheehan pipeline. Charging the ditch head-on. Simplicity, strength, and that unshakable UAZ spirit. When the Tatra 380 trolley finds itself buried in sand, it's time for some serious horsepower to come to the rescue. Enter Chernoff behind the wheel, with a manned TGA flexing its muscle, pulling this beast out of trouble. This is what heavy hauling is all about: skill, power, and the right machine for the job. Nothing like watching German engineering meet Czech resilience in a battle against the elements. 492,000 pounds of raw power, gliding smoothly on Shirl trailers and rail cars. This turbine transport is a true heavyweight ballet. The automated systems keep every move flawless, while the robust chassis handles the beast's weight like a champ. Transporting this giant is not just hauling, it's mastering the art of heavy logistics. Another harvest in the books at Tehuco Valley. Hats off to all the workers who made it happen. That GTT didn't climb the hill. It conquered it and took the tree down as a souvenir. Watching that massive crane crab walk backward like a giant spider is pure artistry on wheels. Maneuvering those heavy tower sections in reverse around tight bends takes nerves of steel and flawless coordination. It's like watching a chess master thinking 5 moves ahead, but with tons of metal. That moment when you realize the road isn't the problem, the missing tire is. No wonder this truck isn't going anywhere.
Alhamdulillah ya Allah.
Even the mighty 6x6 deuce and a half can get caught off guard, stuck in the mud like the rest of us. Nothing like watching history rumble. Even with a dodgy starter, this T-54 means serious business. It's like watching a superhero in slow motion, lifting, pushing, and saving the day. Never underestimate old bridges. This one just defied all odds against a giant timber truck. Watch the geophysical team's tough ride back from the field. Nothing stops these beasts, not even the wild Yamal rivers. Just another Monday, right? Driving to work and out of nowhere, an unmanned train derails in front of you. That's one way to spice up your morning commute. Snow's no match when teamwork kicks in. Watch the MTZ pull the DT-75 out like it's nothing. The CAT 345D doesn't just scoop dirt, it commands the site with precision and efficiency. Loading a beast like the Volvo A40D takes flawless coordination, and this excavator delivers like a seasoned pro. No straps, no safety. This driver's playing a dangerous game with dozens of giant pipes rolling loose on the highway.
Này mà cần sóc mạnh cái đi rơi.
That's it for now, but the action never stops here. Hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon on the next adventure.